As the critical backbone of pneumatic systems, our manifold blocks direct airflow with precision and reliability. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloys, they offer the ideal combination of strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight for demanding industrial automation applications. Each block is CNC machined to tight tolerances as precise as 0.01 mm to guarantee leak-free performance and seamless integration into your complex systems. We support everything from single prototypes to full-scale production, delivering consistent quality, fast turnaround, and full compliance with industry standards. Upgrade your pneumatic system with components engineered for performance. JS Tech, delivering precision, power, and trust through advanced machining.